हाँ आज ऑर्गेनिक रो किछि इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन देखिबा तो आसुन जिबा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देछि व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन formaldehyde react with CH3 MgBr followed by hydrolysis ता आंसर होछि when formaldehyde বা formaldehyde रो सिंबल होछि HCHO react with methyl magnesium bromide বা CH3 MgBr followed by hydrolysis. The reaction leads to the formation of a secondary alcohol. This process involves a two-step reaction, the Grignard reaction and subsequent hydrolysis. दुईटा रिएक्शन हुए गोटे हूँ ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएक्शन हुए गोटे सबसिक्वेंट हाइड्रोलाइसिस से रिएक्शन हुए फास्ट हूँ ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएक्शन ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएक्शन रे कौन रिएक्शन टा देखिए देख CH3 MgBr plus HCHO gives rise to CH3CHOH MgBr Grignard reaction present एटा बाहरला तो इन दिस स्टेप तो न्यूक्लियोफिलिक मिथाइल ग्रुप एटा अछि न्यूक्लियोफिलिक मिथाइल ग्रुप जोटा CH3 माइनस रे ये फ्रॉम द ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट attack the electrophilic carbon of the formaldehyde HCHO leading to the formation of a magnesium alkoxide intermediate तार आसवा hydrolysis hydrolysis कौन कहूची CH3CHOH MgBr gives rise to hydrolysis present rate CH3CHOH whole 2. In the hydrolysis step, the magnesium alkoxide intermediate react with water produce the final product, which is 2-methyl 1,3-propanediol CH3CHOH whole 2. This reaction demonstrates that addition of a Grignard reagent to a carbonyl compound and the subsequent conversion of the intermediate to a stable alcohol through hydrolysis. The resulting alcohol has two hydroxyl group attached to a carbon atom, making it a diol. Next question होजी what happens when acetaldehyde react with dilute NaOH आंसर होजी थंडा हेजी से देखले कास होजी when acetaldehyde CH3CHO react with dilute sodium hydroxide it undergoes nucleophilic addition leading to the formation of sodium 3 hydroxy butanoate. The reaction can be represented as follows. CH3CHO plus NaOH is gives rise to CH3CHOH COONA. In this reaction, the hydrolysis ion attack the carbonyl carbon of acetaldehyde, resulting in the addition of a hydroxyl group to the carbon. The product sodium 3 hydroxy butanoate is a salt. This reaction is an example of nucleophilic addition to a carbonyl compound and is commonly encountered in organic chemistry. The resulting product may further participate in various reactions depending on the condition and reactants present in the reaction mixture. So next question hoji what happens when CH3CHO react with phenyl hydrogen कौन रिएक्ट करे तो देखिए when acetaldehyde react with phenyl diazine it forms a crystalline compound known as phenyl hydrogen. The reaction is a condensation reaction that involves the removal of water and the formation of a carbon nitrogen double bond. Here's the balanced chemical equation of the reaction. CH3CHO plus C6H5NHNH2 gives rise to C6SH5NHN double bond CH3H7 plus H2O. In the reaction, the hydrogen group of phenyl hydrogen react with the carbonyl group of acetaldehyde. A water molecule is eliminated in the process and a carbon-nitrogen double bond, a C double bond N, is formed, resulting in the phenyl hydrogen derivative. The product phenyl hydrogen is often characterized by its characteristics crystalline nature and is used in analytical and synthetical chemistry for identification and purification purpose. The reaction is specific for aldehyde and ketones and is a common method for detecting and characterizing these functional groups. Next question hoji preparation of acetaldehyde from calcium salt of carboxylate acid. The preparation of acetaldehyde from the calcium salt of a carboxylic acid involves a decarboxylation reaction. The calcium salt of carboxylic acid is heated to release carbon dioxide and from the corresponding aldehyde. The general reaction can be represented by follows. Calcium salt of carboxylic acid gives rise to aldehyde plus calcium carbonate. को छाड़ ये किसी भी नहीं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ଯିବା ଦେଖିକିନା ପଢିଦ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन होची खाली रिएक्शन देखिले हिजबा आको पढा व्हाट हैपन व्हेन acetaldehyde react with tolerance reagent को acetaldehyde କିଛି ଏତେ ଲେଖିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ଖାଲି रिएक्शन ଟା ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ବି ହେଇଯିବ ଅଳ୍ପ ଅଳ୍ପ କିଛି ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ବି ହବ CH3CHO plus 2Ag NH3 whole 2 NO3 gives rise to CO2 plus 3H2O plus Ag. And in this reaction, tolerance reagent oxidize the aldehyde to a carboxylic acid while simultaneously reducing the silver ion in the reagent to metallic silver. The reduction of silver ions resulting in the formation of a silver mirror on the inner surface of the reaction vessel. This test is commonly known as the silver mirror test and is used to distinguish between aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes are oxidized by tolerance reagent while ketones are not and thus do not produce a silver mirror. The reaction is often used as a quantitative test for the presence of aldehyde in a given organic compound. The next question is what happens when acetone react with NaHSO3? NaHSO3 reaction answer is when acetone react with sodium bisulfite, a reaction known as the bisulfite addition reaction occurs. In this reaction, sodium bisulfite adds across the carbonyl group of acetone, forming a bisulfite addition product. The balanced chemical equation for the reaction is follows. Reaction hoji CH3COCH3 plus NaHSO3 gives rise to CH3COHSO3CH3. In the product, one oxygen, the bisulfite ion. तो आपको एते भी किसी इंपोर्टेंट हो तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को आसो भारी मते पीडीएफ कहबा कमेंट सेक्शन दे देबी मते पीडीएफ कहले मु पीडीएफ आपन को सेंड कर देबी मते कमेंट कले कि टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रे मते मैसेज कले मु कहि देबी व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन एसीटोन रिएक्ट्स विथ हाफ 1/2 by NaOH. The ROG. When acetone CH3COCH3 reacts with iodine I2 in the presence of sodium hydroxide, the reaction involves halogenation at the alpha carbon of the carbonyl group. This is commonly known as the Hall-form reaction. The balanced chemical equation for the reaction is as follows. रिएक्शन डबा कौन रिएक्शन करछि सेटा देखिया CH3COCH3 plus 3I2 plus 4NaOH gives rise to CHI3 plus CH3COONA plus 3NAI plus 3H2O ବାସ୍ ରିଆକ୍ସନ୍ ଲେଖିଛ ଏତିକିରେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ କରିଦେବ ତ ତମେ ଯେତେ ମାର୍କ ପଡ଼ିଥିବ ପାଇଯିବ ଏତେ ବି କିଛି ଲେଖିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ତ ନେକ୍ସଟ ମୋତେ କହିଛି ମୋତେ ପିଡିଏଫ୍ ମାଗିଲେ ମୁଁ ପିଡିଏଫ୍ ଦେଇଦେବି ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ହାପେନ୍ସ ହ୍ୱେନ୍ ଏସିଟନ୍ ରିଆକ୍ଟସ୍ ୱିଥ୍ NH2OH ଆନ୍ସର୍ ହେଉଛି when acetone reacts with hydroxylamine a condensation reaction takes place leading to the formation of oxime. The reaction is known as the oximation of ketones. The balanced chemical equation of the reaction is follow. Reaction is CH3CO CH3 plus NH2 OH gives rise to CH3CONH2 CH2 plus H2O. Here is reaction. Next question is how will you prepare p-hydroxy isobenzene by BDC? Answer. Sir, ତମେ କରିବ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ହେଉଛି ଡାଇଜୋଜେସନ୍ ହେଉଛି BDC ପ୍ଲସ୍ NaNO2 ପ୍ଲସ୍ HCl gives rise to diazo salt. Coupling ହେଉଛି diazo salt ପ୍ଲସ୍ PHOH gives rise to p-hydroxy isobenzene ପ୍ଲସ୍ NaCl. ଏମିତି ସବୁ ଅଛି important. So how will prepare fluorobenzene from BDC? Reagent ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ benzene, fluorine agent, Lewis acid catalyst. Producer ହେଉଛି formation of electrophilic second ହେଉଛି electrophilic aromatic substitution. ଏମିତି ସବୁ ଅଛି ଲେଖା ତାପରେ ହେଉଛି next how will prepare phenol from BDC? Reaction ଦେଇଛି reaction କ'ଣ ଦେଲା react carbon benzene with sodium hydroxide under high temperature and pressure condition. So sodium hydroxide react as a base in this reaction leading to the hydrolysis of a chlorobenzene isolation. Second isolation. After the reaction is complete, the mixture is usually cooled. Phenol is separated from the reaction mixture by the technique you like distillation or extraction. तार केमिकल इक्वेशन होची C6H5Cl plus NaOH gives rise to C6H5OH plus NaCl. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन होची how will prepare phenol from BDC? reagent लिखिबा प्रोड्यूसर लिखिबा reagent कोन होची aniline sodium nitrate hydrochloric acid water. प्रोड्यूसर कोन देछि एठी प्रोड्यूसर होची फॉर्मेशन ऑफ जोनियम सॉल्ट रिएक्ट कर रिएक्शन रिएक्शन होची C6H5NH2 plus NaNO2 plus HCl gives rise to C6H5N2Cl plus 2H2O plus NaCl. Hydrolysis to phenol. Hydrolysis to phenol कौन react benzene diazonium chloride with water leading to the replacement of the diazonium group with the hydroxyl group resulting in the formation of a phenol. C6H5N2Cl plus H2O gives rise to C6H5OH plus N2 plus HCl. So next question होची how will you prepare BDC from aniline? फिर reagent लिखिबो प्रोड्यूसर लिखिबो reagent को aniline sodium nitrate hydrochloric acid formation of diazonium salt reaction कोन दोजी C6H5NH2 plus NaNO2 plus HCl gives rise to C6H5N2Cl plus 2H2O plus NaCl एम सब reaction दोजी. For next आउट क्वेश्चन देजी how will prepare acetaldehyde from acetyl chloride? केन प्रिपेयर हबो मतलब मु कहछि पीडीएफ मते कमेंट सेक्शन कहि दम तुमको पीडीएफ सेंड कर देबी. तो CH3COCl plus LiAlH4 gives rise to CH3CHO plus LiAlO2 plus HCl. How will you prepare ethyl alcohol from ethyl amine? କିଛି ଲେଖା ଫର୍ମେସନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଇଥାଇଲ୍ ଆଇସୋସିଆନାଇଡ୍ ଆର ହେଉଛି ରିଆକ୍ସନ୍ଟା ହେଉଛି C2H5NH2 plus Cl2 gives rise to C2H5NC plus 2HCl. In this reaction, ethyl amine react with chlorine gas of ethyl isonide. Hydrolysis of ethyl isocyanide is C2H5NC plus 2H2O gives rise to C2H5OH plus NH3. तापर आसुची तापर क्वेश्चन हैला How will you prepare methylamine from acetamide? କେମିତି ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରାହେଉଛି ଆ ରିଆକ୍ସନଟା ବେଶୀ ଦେଇଛି CH3CONH2 gives rise to CH3NH2 plus CO2 ହଫମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଡିଗ୍ରାମେସନରେ ଇଏ ହେଉଛି ପୁଣି ହେଉଛି ତା ହଫମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଡିଗ୍ରାମେସନ୍ ହିୟର୍ ଆର୍ ଦ ଷ୍ଟେପ୍ ହଫମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଡିଗ୍ରାମେସନ୍ ପ୍ରିପାରେସନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଏସିଟାମାଇଡ୍ କେମିତି ପ୍ରିପାରେସନ୍ ହେବ acetamide typically prepare the reaction acetate with ammonia. Reaction ଟା କ'ଣ ଦେଇଛି CH3COOH plus NH3 gives rise to CH3CONH2 plus H2O. ହଫମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଡିଗ୍ରାଡେସନ୍ କ'ଣ କହିଲା ନା ହଫମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଡିଗ୍ରାଡେସନ୍ ହେଉଛି ଏସିଟାମାଇଡ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଟ୍ରିଟେଡ୍ with bromine and a base such as sodium hydroxide in a reaction known as Hofmann degradation. The reaction proceeds through the formation of an intermediate isocyanate which then decomposes to give the amine and carbon dioxide. The overall reaction is CH3CONH2 plus Br2 plus 2NaOH gives rise to CH3NH2 plus Na2CO3 plus 2HBr. Isolation of methylamine होची the mixture obtained after the Hofmann degradation is typically acidic due to the formation of hydrobromine acid during the reaction. The methyl is isolated from the reaction mixture using approximate techniques such as distillation of extraction. How will you prepare p-amino aziobenzene from PDC? PDC can prepare କରିବା formation of hydrazide BDC plus N2H4 heat ମାନେ present PDC NH2 plus H2O diazotization ହେଉଛି BDC NH2 plus HCl plus NO2 BDC NH2Cl plus NaCl plus NH2O. In the hydrogen is deionized by reacting it with hydrochloric acid and sodium nitrate resulting in the formation of a p-amino aziobenzene. The final product p-amino aziobenzene will have the azo group and an amino group on opposite ends of the benzene ring. तो ଏଇତିକିରେ ଆମେ ଆଜି କ୍ଲାସ୍ କରୁଛେ ହେଇଲାଣି ସମୟ ବଦଳିଲାଣି ତ ଏଇତିକିରେ ଆମେ କ୍ଲାସ୍ କରୁଛେ ତ ନହେଲେ ତ ନୂଆ ଆସିଲେ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ଲାଇକ୍ ସେୟାର ଆଣ୍ଡ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିଦେବ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।